Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Which of the following is a desert tree? Your right answer is palm. Option A. Paleontology deals with the study of. Your right answer is fossil. Option B. The frictional force on an object in a fluid depends on what? Your right answer is all of the option. Option B. Resistance is equal to voltage by current. Your right answer is option A. The junction between two neurons is called. Your right answer is synapse. Option C. Dendron are part of. Your right answer is neuron. Option D. A cyclic hydrocarbon with molecular formula C6H6 is. Your right answer is benzene. Option D. Bile secreted by liver help in. Your right answer is digestion. Option A. Which of the following form a set of homologous series? Your right answer is ethene, propene, butene. Option D. The kneecap is called as. Your right answer is patella. Option B. Which of the following scientist was awarded Nobel Prize in Genetics? Your right answer is both Morgan and Khorana. Option C. Where is Lakh Bahosi sanctuary located? Your right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Option B. An alkali is a base that dissolves in. Your right answer is water. Option C. What was the name of space shuttle that landed man on the moon? Your right answer is Apollo. Option B. Which of the following device uses Archimedes principle? Your right answer is hydrometer. Option B. What is the name given to the phenomenon of throwing light in various random directions? Your right answer is scattering of light. Option B. Which color among the 7 colors of the white light gets most deviated after dispersion of light through a glass prism? Your right answer is violet. Option A. On which date is International Day for Biodiversity observed? Your right answer is 22 May. Option B. Which of these country was created in the 20th century? Your right answer is Bangladesh. Option B. The amount of the solute present in the saturated solution at a particular temperature is called its. Your right answer is solubility. Option A. Which of the following can be beaten into thin sheet? Your right answer is iron. Option D. The atomic number is denoted by the alphabet. Your right answer is Z. Option C. Elements of the second period are known as. Your right answer is bridge element. Option B. Where is Koibul Lamjao, the only floating national park in the world, located? Your right answer is Manipur. Option B. Which of the following is not an insectivorous plant? Your right answer is Prothallos. Option A. Which of the following can be produced by dolphin, porpoises, bats and rats? Your right answer is ultrasound. Option A. Which celestial body was considered as a planet till 2006 and not a planet after that? Your right answer is Pluto. Option A. Which of the following denotes currency with the public? Your right answer is M1. Option A. Which of the following is a folk dance of Rajasthan? Your right answer is Ghumar. Option B. Who among the following was the President of the Constituent Assembly? Your right answer is Rajendra Prasad. Option D. After which Prime Minister was a sports award named in India? Your right answer is Rajiv Gandhi. Option C. When copper oxide is heated with hydrogen, copper, metal and water are formed, what happened to the copper oxide in this reaction? Your right answer is reduced. Option A. With which of the following sports is the term pitcher associated? Your right answer is baseball. Option D. When will the tenure of Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi end? Your right answer is 17th November 2019. Option C. Babulal Marandi was the first Chief Minister of which Indian state? Your right answer is Jharkhand. Option B. Which of the following Chief Minister unveiled the Yuvasri Arpan scheme in 2019? Your right answer is Mamta Banerjee. Option D. Adding electrons to an atom will result in? Your right answer is anion. Option D. Who among the following has scored the most run in Ranji Trophy? Your right answer is Wasim Jafar. Option C. Which of the following vitamin is not fat soluble? Your right answer is vitamin C. Option D. Which product of petroleum is used to drive heavy vehicle like truck? Your right answer is diesel. Option D. The reaction between sodium hydroxide with zinc gives the product. Your right answer is sodium zincate. Option C. Which of the following is the work of Kalidas? Your right answer is Kumar Sambhava. Option A. On which organ of the human body is angioplasty performed? Your right answer is heart. Option C. To obtain a virtual enlarged erect image on the same side of a convex lens after refraction, where should the image be placed? Your right answer is between focus F1 and optic center O. Option A. Akshaya is a project aimed to improve public delivery of services by bringing the benefit of e-governments and utility services in. Your right answer is Kerala. Option B. Which vitamin promotes the absorption of calcium in the body? Your right answer is vitamin D. Option B. In Mendeleev periodic table, gaps were left for the elements to be discovered later. Which of the following elements found a place in the periodic table later? Your right answer is germanium. Option D. In which of the Olympic game did India not win a gold medal in hockey? Your right answer is Rome 1960. Option D. What are called as prunes? Your right answer is dried plums. Option A. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day.